What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Gio.
And it's your girl, Day Day.
And we're back with another video for you. We are reviewing Tamar Braxton's new album, Bluebird Happiness.
So my girl, Tay.
Yes, she did her thing on this album. I really enjoyed the album. Classic R&B album. It's a little something for everybody, you know. Whether you like a little hip-hop, a little reggae, she got a little something for everybody.
Yeah, it's a mixture of both her previous albums.
Yeah.
So if you haven't got it, go and get it. So she has a few songs, and we're just going to tell you what we think about all of her songs. So the first song is Forever. I like the song.
I like the song too. I like Forever. I feel like it's a good song. I feel like, you know, her vocals were good.
Yes.
She, you know, delivered good vocals. She did her thing on that. I enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it as well.
What would you give it?
I think I would give it a 8.
I think I'd give it an 8 too, 8.5. It was a good song.
Yes,
it was a good start-off song to the album to kind of give you a feel of what it would be.
What the album is going to be. So the next song is Want to Love You Boy. And it reminds me of another song.
I can't think of what song it is, but you know,
I want to love you, girl. Want to love you, girl. Want to love you, girl. Want to love you. So hers is Want to Love You Boy, but it's the same type of feel. Say, I want to say, I'm so bad. I want to say it's the Neptunes, but it might not be.
Yeah, I can't think of what song it was.
Yeah. I'm a music person, but for some reason I cannot think of it.
Yeah, I can't think of what song was sampled for that song, but it's a good song. It's something more upbeat. It's kind of remind me of the Love and War album.
Yes, it's like it's a ballad and it's upbeat. It's a ballad, so it's that type of situation.
Yeah.
The next one was Run Run.
Run Run. That was a little reggae vibe. It was a little freaky.
Yes, I give it a 10.
I give it a 10.
It gives me that hot sugar vibe.
Yeah.
So I say you did your thing. I feel like that was something Riri would actually sing.
Yeah, it was kind of Rihanna-esque. You know,
yes.
I liked it.
So one of my favorites is Hold On, Hold Up.
With Yo Gotti?
Yes. You know.
I like that. I like that, and I like Yo Gotti's verse. I think Yo Gotti killed the song. You know, I think it was something upbeat. I could definitely see that getting picked up by the
radio play.
stations.
Yes, yeah. I give it a 10, a 20. Yeah. Yes, I like that song. I think that needs to be the next single off the album.
Yeah, I think so. I think they need to do a video for it.
Yes,
a hot video.
You know, I could be one of the extras in the video. You know, so
I give that song a 9. I like it. I give it a 9.
I give it a 10. Okay. I like that song.
I like the song too.
It gets me hype, and it's just like you just, hey, you know. Hey. So then her next song is The Makings of You, which is originally Gladys Knight song.
Mm-hmm.
So I like the song.
I like it too. That's actually one of my favorite songs on the album.
Yes.
If you would tell me that I got to choose one song off the album that's my favorite, it would be The Makings of You. It's something about that Gladys Knight sample that put me in a good place, you know, old school R&B. I like the feel
with a new, a new twist on it.
Yes.
So I think she did a good job.
I give that song a 10 out of 10.
Yeah. I give it, I have to give it a 10 because it's a sample.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong with the sample.
Especially a Gladys Knight sample of a hit song.
So I like that song. The next song on the album is Heart in My Hands.
Heart in My Hands. I like that song. It was definitely it's a heartbreak kind of song.
It's a ballad.
Yeah.
With a lot of high notes.
Yeah.
So I gave that song an 8. It's a nice song. It wasn't one of my favorites, but she still did her thing on it.
She did good. I think she gave good vocals on that song. It wasn't one of my favorites, but I do enjoy the song. I would give it about a 7 or 8.
So my song is Blind. I love this song. I feel that, I don't know, I love this
Blind
song.
needs a video. I think Blind needs a video too. That should definitely, I think it is a single, but I
think she should drop Hold Up and Blind back to back. I mean, I think she needs
to
have
a good combination of dropping
double
the
features in 1 week, or I don't know, but
and it's perfect because you give one to hip hop radio, one to R&B radio, and you just run with that.
I think that girl.
Blind, I give Blind a 10. The vocals were good on that, the emotion, everything. Oh
my God, I have that song on repeat, so I love it. So Pick Me Up. Okay, so this is another, up-tempo song.
Yeah.
It reminds me of The One on her Love and War album. And
it got the You Make My Love Come Down.
Evelyn Champagne, right?
I think it might be Evelyn Champagne.
It might be, but it's still a tribute to...
Yeah. I like the sample, and it did put you in the mind of The One. It put you in the mind of her song, The One. I liked it. It's upbeat. It puts you in a reminiscent feeling of an old school song, but it still got the new school twist.
So I give it a 10.
10. Yep, I would give it a 10.
Yes. So her next song is How I Feel.
How I Feel. That was another ballad.
And it reminds me of Don't You Feel Guilty on her other album.
Yeah.
And that was the second album, right?
The second album Must Be Good to You.
Yeah, Must Be Good. Yeah. So I feel as if it's a similar flavor to that. So I like that. That's another 10. That's another 10 for me.
Yeah.
So the last song is Empty Boxes.
Empty Boxes was a ballad. It was a power ballad. She gave you the high notes. It was good. It was also emotional song. It kind of is like Blind, where it's like an emotional song, but I would give that a 9. I like the song.
I would give it a 7, 8.
Okay.
It wasn't my all the way favorite, but then you have to remember she has My Man on the album too.
Yeah, My Man is on the album. That was the single. That song.
That's a 10
amazing
for me.
Vocals. Yep, that would be a 10 for me.
That's
too.
A 10 for me. I love that song. I even had a video, after she killed it on the BET Awards, even though everyone was trying to say that she was lip singing, but
clearly she wasn't.
Yeah, I had made my own little wannabe video. But I love that song. Everybody, most women can relate to that song. And she did her thing.
Overall, this was a really good album.
Good album.
I say support Tamar. Stream the album on iTunes, Amazon. Go to the stores and buy the album.
Buy it.
Yes, the packaging is really nice on the album. Like, I looked at the CD cover and everything. The artwork is good. I say go out and support this album. Support real R&B and real R&B artists.
Somebody can really sing, a real singer.
A real singer, and also she doing this independently. So support Tamar. Go buy the Bluebird of Happiness in stores now.
Yes.
So once again, it's your boy Gio.
It's your girl Dede.
Signing out.